Hi, this is Alan Ackles. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Today we're in Wright City, Missouri, at the headquarters of AvTask Corporation, a 100% employee-owned company that has been setting industry standards in helicopter blade repair and rotor blade balance equipment for over 30 years. What began as an engineering service provider for the U.S. Army Aviation Command has grown into a state-of-the-art 52,000 square foot facility just west of St. Louis, Missouri. From this location, AvTask has revolutionized the aviation industry with cutting-edge innovations. One of their flagship achievements is their world-class CH-47 blade repair facility. Their expertise includes patented technology for non-intrusively removing water trapped within rotor blades, a game-changer for the aviation industry, solving balance and performance issues for the U.S. Army and other operators worldwide. Meanwhile, their sister company, Avion Manufacturing, has made its mark as the global leader in rotor blade balance equipment. Their groundbreaking three-point balance fixture evolved into today's universal static balance fixture and the virtual master blade. These precision tools can be used with over 30 different helicopter types, greatly reducing the time required to balance blades on aircraft. They are used by military and commercial operators around the world. These innovations, paired with AvTask's unwavering commitment to quality and an excellent workforce, have expanded their reach to support foreign militaries and commercial fleets globally. Together, AvTask and Avion Manufacturing remain dedicated to excellence in CH-47 blade repair and rotor blade balance equipment design and fabrication, helping ensure safety, precision, and reliability in aviation. Experience the difference that innovation and dedication make. Learn more about AvTask Corporation at avtask.com. This is Alan Ackles for Manufacturing Marvels.